Hey guys, it's Alpha Prius, and I am doing a Bakugan review on my brand new, I just got it today, Storm Skyrus. He's so cool. This one's sting doesn't stay up quite well, but okay, well, Storm Skyrus. And the thing that I really like about them is look at these gigantic feet. They're huge. And its tail, I mean, it's huge. Everything's huge on this Bakugan. I mean, oh, one sec. They went from... This is a huge, dramatic transformation. They went from this little tiny Bakugan poopy, soupy poopy. It's got nothing. You got nothing. From this to this. You can notice the resemblance, but they're definitely not the same Bakugan. See, these little flaps flip out. Oh, this little horn, but it's not really staying out. Usually stays out, probably because I have to take it with my finger. That huge little beak horn thing, not really going back in. Sweet. It like stays out too, but it's not like one of those ones that clips. Wow, that's awesome. That's so cool. I love this thing. Huge, gigantic feet. Alright, well, my camera's dying, so I think I'll do one more review and then post these. So, alright, bye.